Did you click this video because you want to do a quick warm-up routine before your online dance lessons? Well, then join me in today's video. I'm going to be guiding you through a short warm-up routine done on the bar for all levels and for all type of dancers. And say that, let's get to it. Let's begin sideways to the bar. We are going to do releve. We are going to do alternating demi-points. We're going to do 4. And now we are going to add a demi-plie. And we are going to do 4. Take your time. One more. Releve, and we go down. We are going to roll through. We are going to do 4. Take your time. Make sure to warm up your heels, ankles, calves. One more. And now we are going to reverse the movement. Up and slow down. Really tall. Together, down, up. 2 more. Now we are going to open first position. We are going to lift leg in a small attitude forward. We're going to do 4. And we begin to warm up our hips flexor. Now we face the bar and we do it to the side. 1, 45 degree, no more. Last one. And we continue turning sideways to the bar and we're going to lift leg back. 45 degree. Nice and tall. Take your time. Close and we repeat everything to the left. 1, 2. We are going to add a demi-plie. Deep and nice. Pressing arch forward. 2 more. And now we are going to roll through. Nice and tall and slowly down. Don't forget to breathe. 2 more. And we are going to reverse. Up, slowly down. 2 more. Feel your feet really articulating and warming up. And we are going to open. And attitude. 1, 2. Feel your hips flexor really warming up. Facing bar. Sideways. 2, 3, 4. Continue sideways to the bar and back. Take your time. Slowly. We are going to close parallel. Now we are going to let our head down. Keep going, rolling all the way down. Flex your knee. Hands on the floor. And stretch knee back. And we are going to stretch hamstrings and calves. Bend again. And stretch. Walk hands forward. Stretch back. And feel that slight stretching. One more time back. We're going to flex right knee. And back. Flex left. And back. We're going to repeat 2 more times. Relax your neck. Now we're going to bend knee and the leg inside the bar is going to open back to a lunge position. We're going to grab the bar. Open chest, nice and tall. Don't forget to breathe. Now we're going to turn facing bar. 2 hands on the bar. Flex your toes and feel that nice stretch. Feels good. You can release your hands from the bar, put them on the floor. Now we are going sideways to the bar. Nice. Drop knee to the floor. Recover up and open. We are going to do swing of our legs just a little bit. And then we begin to warm up our back as well. We're going to do 8, 7, 8. And we turn, repeat everything to the other side. Head down, curl your back, bend your knee, hands on the floor, and stretch. Don't forget to breathe. Demi-plie. And stretch again. One more demi-plie. And stretch. Walk your hands forward, stretch back, and feel the stretching on your hamstring. Recover back, and we're going to bend one knee and stretch. And another one, and back. 2 more. Recover back, flex, and back. We are going to bend knee, and we are going to open the leg inside the bar back to a lunge position. Nice and tall, proud chest. We're going to turn facing bar. Flex toes up. You can release the bar. Stretch on the floor. Nice. Recover up and turn sideways to the bar again. Drop knee to the floor. Lift knee up. Recover in. We are going to stretch slowly up. Open first position and swing legs back and forth. Slow down, gentle. 5, 6, 7, 8. For more videos like these ones, I would recommend you to click right here or check down below in the description of this video where I'm going to leave a ton of links for you on how to improve your ballet technique. In saying that, go ahead, click your next video and let me know how it goes.